Oh man, here we go, guys. The helmet, I will say, is completely done. I might wax and buff it, maybe, but here it is. I could not be happier how it turned out for my first helmet. It looks epic. The colors turned out super well. The LED lights look just amazing. I'm just honestly at loss of words. I love it. It's just out here on display. It's the coolest thing ever. I tested a couple of colors. Here they are, by the way. So most of them were metallic Rust-Oleum types. This one isn't. But I tried the regular red that they had. It was not good. The gloss crimson red was good with 2 coats. I kind of wanted darker still. This is after 2 coats. Now I did have a red bright coat under this one, which may have kind of messed this one up. So we'll test the other ones, but it still looks good. I'm just really wanting that red to be perfect. The gold, it's just pure gold metallic, and I don't think it needs any changing. It's amazing. It's really good. The dark steel is nice. I really like how it turns out, and it has this kind of steelish look to it already, but it's not dark enough for my taste. I kind of want it darker. So we're gonna try to do that. That's just 1 coat, and I didn't have the darkest of all primers under it. So I'm gonna try to test out some stuff, but overall, for a first helmet that's complete, couldn't have asked for it to be better. Honestly, when I finished it, I was just at a loss of words. I love it. The really cool thing with this red paint, why I really like it, and I just want to work with it and try to get it a little darker, it gives this automatic like enamel film coat look. Like, it's got this glare to it, and the print is actually smooth to the touch. It's pretty amazing. Now, I started printing the helmet, the first thing, because it's the most iconic thing about the suit, except for the chest piece, and it's not as many moving parts. And there's definitely no trimming that you're gonna do. Either you got it or you don't. And my print quality has gone up sufficiently. So make sure your print quality is really good. But after that, learn how to sand well. And I've learned how to sand much better since this print, actually. And then, learn how to paint correctly. And I also had some learning on this one. But overall, it turned out absolutely beautiful. If you don't follow me yet on Instagram, go check me out, Anton_talks_tech. Link is down in the description below, as always. I did a pretty nice photo session outside with it. It just looked amazing. If you want one of these, hit me up there on Instagram, or you can just, comment here, and we'll work something out. But yeah, it fits me fully wearable. It's awesome. As I was saying, fully wearable. Might hear me a little muffled under this, but it looks amazing. And it fits pretty much perfectly. I would say not too much of a bobblehead. I have enough for servos or Arduinos, whatever I decide to go with the rest of the servers. You hear that? I need to get the parts a little bit here, tighten up, add some foam inside because we're flying all around. But this is just the coolest thing ever. The one thing I will mention that I'm a little bit discontent with is the lights look beautiful. Now, the ones that I got on eBay, and it seems like they're really the only option, these are a little bit more white than I thought they'd be. I thought they'd be a little bit more bluish. I don't know if the video kind of translates that to y'all, but it still looks ridiculously awesome. The other problem is, when they're on, you're supposed to be able to see through them. You can, very barely. Like, worse than other ones that I saw online. These are slightly different. And when they're off, I could totally see through them, 100%. So, that's the only thing, but you can always tweak that out. But yeah, had to show off you guys the helmet. This is how it looks, and product. Cannot wait to paint the rest of the suit. Cannot wait.